3 plus 3 equals to 6. 3 squared divided by 3 equals to 3. 6 multiplied by 3 equals to 18. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority, and they must be done from left to right. In our case, we have one multiplication and one division. So what we'll do is we'll do first multiplication, then division, and last operation is addition. So you must not do first addition, then division, and then multiplication. So the order is multiplication, division, and addition. So first let's get rid of the exponent. So we get 3 plus 3 multiplied by 9 divided by 3. Then here, we have 3 divided by 3, we can simplify by 1, but we'll follow from left to right to not get you confused. So we have 3 plus 3 multiplied by 9 is 27 divided by 3, and 27 divided by 3 is 9, so we have 3 plus 9, which equals to 12. So as you can see as well, if we would have simplified 3 and 3, then we would have 12 as well. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Ciao, ciao.